12 minus 2 parenthesis 12 minus 2. 12 minus 2 will give us 10. Then we have 10 parenthesis 12 minus 2. Then we solve our parenthesis, which is 12 minus 2. 12 minus 2 will also give us 10. Then we have 10 times 10. 10 times 10 will give us 100. So 100 is the wrong answer to this expression, because according to the order of operation, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. This is PEMDAS. So multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from our left to our right. In this expression, we have parentheses, which is this. We first of all solve our parentheses before solving our multiplication. Remember, if a number is close to a parenthesis, know that there is a multiplication sign in between. Then after solving our parentheses, we solve our multiplication. Then we move ahead to our subtraction. We also have subtraction inside our parentheses. Let's dive into the right answer to this expression. In our parentheses, we have 12 minus 2. 12 minus 2 will give us 10. Then we have 12 minus 2 times 10. Then we solve our multiplication, which is 2 times 10. 2 times 10 will give us 20. Then we have 12 minus 20. 12 minus 20 will give us negative 8. Negative 8 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.